All right, Don, thanks. The next step of the governor's reopening plan allows restaurants in low-risk community areas to increase their capacity. But the city of Northampton is now holding back. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis joins us from downtown Northampton with the reason why. Leon?
Jordan, the city is not taking this next step because they think the risk is too high. Now, of course, restaurants and folks would like to have more people at a table or sit at bars, but they understand this is a precaution to contain the spread of coronavirus.
No, we're not disappointed by all means. We understand the circumstances as we've dealt with them since day one of reopening with our tent and our sidewalk seats and now indoor dining.
Fitzwilly's restaurant in Northampton is okay with the restrictions the city of Northampton is continuing. They follow all of the guidelines, but if a party of greater than 6 comes through their doors, they try to be accommodating.
You know, if we have a party that's greater than 6, by all means, we can sit them at multiple tables. They're unable to get up and mingle.
The Northampton Public Health Director tells Western Mass News in a statement, despite our low-risk designation and eligibility to move forward into Step 2 of Phase 3 of Governor Baker's reopening plan, the Northampton Board of Health ordered on October 8th, indoor concert venues will not be allowed to open. Outdoor venues will only be allowed at 25% capacity with a limit of 50 people, and outdoor gatherings will continue to be limited to a capacity of no more than 50 people. Sam Kassler and Katie Shea, who live in Northampton, say they are not pressed to sit at a bar.
Even though you can go into the restaurant, we don't typically sit down and eat still, unless it's like outside, so I don't think the restriction matters as much as it might because people are still mostly eating outside.
And for Shea, she thinks limiting the number of people is a good way to play it safe.
In general, I think it's probably a good idea to keep the social distancing in effect, but
Now, the public health director adds that the mandatory face covering in downtown Northampton continues. The only exceptions are eating, drinking, and smoking. In Northampton, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.